Hi, this is Carol with WTI. This jewel Badgley Mishka Mera ankle strap evening shoe is my go-to whenever I want to feel elegant or whenever I want to go out with my husband. I love the design. It has this strap that it feels secure into my ankle. I don't feel like my feet are gonna slide, or if I'm dancing, they're not gonna be flying. I feel like every step that I take is secure, is sturdy, the heel is thick enough to hold the weight, and they are comfortable. But the big plus is that they're lovely. I love the way they look. They have these crystals, they look super really good quality, and they shine really bright. I love the way they look. And that's my point of view.